This is Danish here, and you are watching the video lecture series of MS Excel. This is our part 1 series of MS Excel. In this lecture I am gonna to introduce you guys about MS Excel, what MS Excel is and what MS Excel can be used for. Okay, so guys, do look very carefully and watch it till end. So in this video lecture, see, I opened the application software of MS Excel. Most of the guys might be knowing about what MS Excel is, and most of the guys might have used this application software, but there are some guys who are not aware about MS Excel. So I am starting this video lecture series from scratch. Okay, I'm starting it from beginning. So guys, this is the overview, or this is the front end of my MS Excel application software. You can see this white portion, it's called as working area, where you guys are gonna to work, or you can say it's also called as spreadsheet. Okay, you can see here and have different menus like file, home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, help, and all. Okay, so guys, we'll be looking into every menu of MS Excel. In this lecture we are not going to touch any of the menu because this is the introduction part, right? So this is the these are called as menus, right? Home, insert, page layout, these are menus. And for example, if you click on insert or home, you will be getting the sub menus of home. If you click on insert, you will be getting the sub menus of insert. If you click on page layout, you will be getting the sub menus of page layout menu. Okay, so guys, don't focus on this because we are going to or I am going to teach it in the further lectures, right? So this is the working area or spreadsheet, what I have said before 2 minutes. Okay, this is the cell. If you click on one of the cell, this is one cell. Okay, so a spreadsheet, because this is called a spreadsheet or working area. So spreadsheet is the combination of cells, right? So it's a combination of cells. And one more thing, guys, I'm using the version 2016 of MS Office. So in this version of MS Office, you are being provided with only one sheet here, sheet 1. If some of the guys might be using the previous version of MS Office, maybe 10 or 7, in that you will be getting 3. You will be getting 3 sheets by default. But in MS Excel 2016 or MS Office 2016, you are getting only 1. By default, you are getting only 1 sheet here. Okay. If you are going to add sheets, you can simply click on this plus button. You will be getting the second sheet. If you want some more, you will be getting the third sheet. So you simply click on this, you will be getting the sheets. Or there's a shortcut key, you can use that as well, that is shift plus F11. Okay, shift plus F11. So see guys, I'm clicking shift plus F11, it's adding 1 sheet, right? You can see it over here. Okay, so I have added 8 sheets, 9 sheets over here. Okay, so for example, if I click on sheet 1, you will be getting this working area. You can write anything over here. So you can note it down that in a single cell, there can be 32,767 characters. So one cell can contain 32,767. So I'll be writing it over here, 32,767. So in a single cell, this is a cell, right? This is a cell. So in a single cell, these much of characters can be contained. So in a one cell can contain 32,767 characters. So it may be an integer, it may be alphabet, so or it may be a combination of alphabets or integers or special characters, right? And see guys, this is a column, right? Vertical is column and horizontal is row, right? You might be knowing this. So this is the 8th column Okay guys, this is the eighth column, right? In the same way, this is the bth column and cth column, dth column. So there are a lot of columns in a single spreadsheet. So if you go to this scroll bar over here, so if you click this button, you can see a large number of columns. Okay, same is the case with rows. This is the first row, second row, third row, fourth row, fifth row, and there are a lot of rows as well. So you just go to this scroll bar, click this, and you can see the different rows. Okay, so if you have a large number of data, you can simply enter in this in a single spreadsheet or a single Excel sheet. Okay, so the question may arise in your minds that is there any limitations for number of rows or number of columns in a single Excel sheet? So my answer will be yes, there is limitation. So the number of rows, I will write over here total number of, first of all, columns. Okay, it is 2 raised power 14. Okay, there are 2 raised power 14 columns available. Okay, and what are the total number of rows? So total number of rows are, I will change this column into rows first. Okay, total number of rows are 2 raised power 20. Okay, so total number of columns are 2 raised power 14 and total number of rows 2 raised power 20. So first of all, let me compute this 2 raised power 14 part, what is it comes out to be. So I will use a simple formula over here. This formula part we'll be doing in our further lectures, but to compute the result I will use the formula over here. The formula to compute this power, base and power is, so I will use a simple formula equal to power. Okay, so base here is 2, so I will write 2 over here, and the power is 14, so 14. I will hit enter. Okay, so it is 16,384. so there are 16,384 columns in a single spreadsheet. So this is the first column, second, third, fourth. In the same ways, there are 16,384, right? So it can contain, a single Excel sheet can contain 16,384 columns. Okay, so let's first of all let's compute this total number of rows by using the same formula equal to power. Here base is 2 as for the columns also, and here the power is 20, so 2 comma 20. After that I will hit enter. So this is the result, 10,48,576. okay, so 10,48,576, these are the total number of rows. So you can see first, second, third, fourth. In the same way, if you scroll down, you will reach out to 10,48,576. This will be the last row and this will be the last column. Okay, so guys, do remember this, these numerical parts. So what we learned today, in a single cell can contain 32,767 characters. It may be the combination of character, numbers and special characters, and there are total number of columns 2 raised power 14, that comes out to be 16,384, and there are total number of columns, that is 2 raised power 20, that comes out to be 10,48,576. So guys, this was the intro part. In the further lectures we'll be seeing each and every part in detail. Okay, so I will tell you one more thing, guys, that see, we have added a lot of sheets over here, right? So there's a concept of workbook. What's a workbook? Workbook is the combination of sheets. So guys, if we combine all these sheets, it is in the single Excel sheet. So the combination of all the sheets, we can call it as a workbook, and this is a single sheet or a single spreadsheet. Okay, so in combination, by combining all these spreadsheet, it's a workbook, and by taking it individually, guys, if we take all these sheets in one shot, we can call it as a workbook. If we take sheets individually, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4, sheet no different sheets, if we take it individually, we can call it as a single spreadsheet. If we'll take all the sheets in one shot, so we can call it as a workbook. Okay guys, so this was the first part 1 of our MS Excel series. So guys, if you have any question, do let me know in the comment box, and I will be giving all these what we have learned today in the description part. So guys, do like this video and do share this video. Thank you so much.